As an ex-alcoholic, I remember exactly what alcohol felt like. Cheers, laughter, hangovers? Don't act like you don't know exactly what I'm talking about. But what about when the party is over? The headache kicks in and the shakes begin. That's the real face of withdrawals. The one they rarely show you in the movies. It's not just about the physical symptoms. It's about that mental toll too. Alcohol is a poison. It's literally causing trauma in your body. Experiencing withdrawal symptoms is scary, and most people refuse to stop drinking to avoid them altogether. Solving the problem with the problem is causing a bigger problem. Here's the truth. If you're experiencing withdrawal symptoms, it's not because you're getting worse. It's because you're getting better. That is your body's way of healing, and it's the first step to permanent recovery. That's not the same as sobriety. And if you or someone you know is struggling, just remember, you're not alone. I am an ex-alcoholic, a liver failure survivor, and I've spent the last 6 years creating some revolutionary sobriety and recovery resources that have already helped thousands of people. You're not the only one in the universe that can't do it. Remember, if you're struggling right now, this is temporary, but the freedom waiting on the other side of that fear is permanent. I don't just want to get you sober. I want to help you recover far beyond sobriety. So if you're ready to meet the real deal, the sober, healthy, happy you, it's time to turn the page and start a new chapter in your life.